Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start an escape room business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your escape room business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The first step in starting an escape room business is to develop a business plan. For the following reasons, you will require an escape room business plan. 1. Your business plan will help you to see how your company will function before it officially launches. 2. Writing a business plan will assist you in filling in holes that you may have overlooked. You may not even know what all of your questions are at this point, but they will become clear as you work through your plan. 3. If you're working collaboratively, your business plan will help you clarify the project and ensure everyone is on the same page. 4. If you don't have any seed funding, investors and lenders will want to see your business plan before they consider financing your venture. The more detailed and well-written your business plan, the more likely they will be to work with you. 5. Taking the time to highlight all of your business's details will help you ensure that you're 100% committed to opening and running your own business. Starting an escape room business can cost anywhere between $5,000 and $25,000, depending on location, rent, and the complexity of the room design. Among the startup costs are a business license and insurance. Another example is props and interiors. Some escape game rooms have elaborate costumes and set designs, including laser lights, while others keep their sets simple. The primary expenses are rent, utilities, and employee salaries. Other ongoing costs include replacing worn-out equipment and props, the cost of which is determined by the sophistication of your escape room's design. Website upkeep with educational information about escape room gaming and promotional advertising is also necessary expenses, especially since this type of business is so new and many people are still unfamiliar with how escape room games work. People who prefer to buy interactive experiences rather than consumer products are your target market. Customers include business owners, managers, and coaches who want to provide positive team-building experiences for their employees or players. According to research, corporate clients account for 20% of escape room game attendees. Customers will pay a participation fee to play an escape room game at your escape room business. Escape room games are live-action adventure experiences in which participants are locked in a room and must find clues and solve puzzles to escape within the time limit. A theme, whether historical, futuristic or completely unique, is usually present in game rooms. Customers can expect to pay between $20 and $35 per person for a 1-hour game, with larger venues typically allowing no more than 12 players at a time. Smaller venues frequently limit games to a maximum of 6 players. To increase the profitability of your escape room business, you should open more than one room with multiple games. Because escape room games are not yet protected by copyright, you can still use and improve on the ideas of others who have already found success with their escape room businesses. The more interactive your escape room, the more fun it will be for the participants, and the more likely they will be to recommend it to their friends. Ideally, the difficulty level should be such that not every team that participates will be successful in escaping. Printing up some t-shirts with your company logo to serve as memorable prizes for successful escapees can be a low-cost yet effective form of advertising. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start an escape room business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.